So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this little thing off of here for right now. And we're going to do a short press. Nothing happened, right? So let's do a long press. The screen comes on, right? So now the screen's on. So that's the long press. When the device is off, power on the device when holding for 3 seconds. So 3 seconds powered it on, okay? So remember that. All right, so now for the movie, which is on top here, you're going to do a short press, start recording when device is on. Stop recording after pressing it again. So if it's on, like right now, we can record me. Watch. Okay, so I'm recording. You see the red thing? To stop recording, I think I just press it again. And it turns off, right? So now here, this is interesting. When the device is off, a long press will turn the video recording on. So let's turn the device off, right? All right, now we're going to do a long press, and it should turn the device on and start recording. 1, 2, 3. I guess I had to hit it again. It didn't start recording. All right, let's stop it. Okay, so you can do, and also you can snap pictures over here. Just a press, right? I just took a picture, right? Now, when we get down to the audio, right? The audio, this part here, this is interesting. So a long press, if you hold it for 3 seconds, will turn on the video recording when the device is off. So let's turn the device off and see if that works. All right, so it says a long press on this will turn it on and record. 1, 2, 3, 4. Doesn't seem to be recording. Maybe if I go like that. All right, well, now we're recording. Okay, turn off. Okay, so that's that. All right, let's go to the light. So there's a light on it, right? So if I press this right here, the light will come on. See that? How do you like that? Oh, wow. That was cool, huh? All right. So yeah, so that's basically how it works. I showed you guys the USB port. It's over here. That's where you charge it. And also you can pull information off of this onto your computer or desktop or laptop or whatever. So anyway, that's kind of basically how it works. There's other stuff like there's file protection, playback, and all that. I don't think the screen is touch screen, so you have to manipulate it from the sides. But let's see if we can play something back, all right? All right, so I'm thinking, okay, menu, a short press on M. Down here, look. I completely missed this. All right, so this is the menu down here, right? Let's see if I can see what it is. And I'm thinking that that is our menu to, we can change things by using these arrows. So I think I can go like that, or I go like this, right? And I think if I go all the way down, let's see if there's more. Yeah, there's a bunch of stuff. It says video length 20 minutes. Okay, so you can actually change stuff. You would hit OK to change it. Like I wanted to change the 20 minutes, I'd click that. And I could go 10 minutes, 15 minutes. I'm going to go to 30 minutes. How's that? I'm going to go OK. Okay. All right, motion detection is off. Let's take a look. There's a lot of stuff you can do on here, man. This is crazy. Sound volume is on. I mean, there's a lot to it. Wow. There's passwords, device ID. I mean, wow, this is crazy. It says reset. It's got time and date. I don't think we did that. So if I go to time, I'd hit OK. Now I got to put, it's 2026. Yeah, it's good. It's already got the time on there. That's good. Wow, that's great. All right, that's OK. Okay. I got to go through them all. There we go. Now we're out of it. All right, so I guess that's it right there. To get out of the menu, I think we just press here and you're back there. So that's basically that. So I think we kind of covered everything on this, pretty much. I mean, there's more to discover. We've got to take it out and test it on the road and see what we think. But bam, Bob's your uncle, man. I think this thing's going to be awesome. So we're going to take it out on my bike and check it out.